Are you doing a small detail? Add some fillets to see what it looks like. Nice, let's now fillet the whole model. That's what people on YouTube do, so it must be the way to go.
No! No!
Filleting every edge will make it almost impossible to work with later. Unfilleted, filleted, unfilleted, filleted, unfilleted, filleted. Some fillets remove the geometry they were based on and are impossible to delete easily. And in case you quickly need a low poly base, you are in trouble. Filleted everything and now on the render it's too big, too small. Good luck fixing that. Also note that you spent most of the time modeling with lines being visible, and it makes it harder to see how much contrast the detail will create. And unfilleted edges actually represent it better. We have a reason to fillet everything, to make it look realistic and readable. And there are ways to do it without manually filleting every edge. Export super high-res mesh. Go to ZBrush. Auto groups, Dynamesh, deformation, polish by crisp edges. Now use Decimation Master and export it. Don't want to use ZBrush and have a good CPU? Do the same thing in Blender with remesh and smooth modifiers. Too much for you? In case you don't need a high poly, there is an easier way. Go to Blender. Now use Bevel Shader node to make it look filleted. You want different radius for different edges? Use cheap Zen Barbecue add-on for it. I also have a tutorial on the pipeline featuring Bevel Shader for high poly to low poly bake. You really want that manual fillet? Copy the original into a separate folder and fillet all the edges in the end.